Start.
So Zydex Industries Private Limited is a Baroda-based company. We are having solutions for sustainability across the bitumen layers, emulsions and soil stabilizations. Zydex Industries is a pioneer in terms of ensuring practices which convert from material science, raw materials to a solution-based approach. As we get into future, we are looking at BAS, which is bitumen as a solution, soil stabilization as a solution for the industry for the last mile implementation. Zydex Industries has solutions for moisture related distress mitigation, ensuring the variability of the aggregates and bitumen is mitigated, and extending the window of execution for the road construction. Zydex is working across the world in Americas, in the Scandinavian markets, in Germany, in UK, South Africa. As we move into future, we are more and more working with the government agencies and the policymakers to ensure that the standards which are prevailing for the construction are enhanced as we move on, because the core idea is to enhance the durability such that our road systems are having a life of 20 to 50 years.
Thank you.